What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro. Today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to hop on camera to give you a review of the traffic exchange that I normally use, and this is one of my top ones I use alongside the other ones that I have been using to get more traffic to my affiliate sites, and this is called Traffic G. Traffic G is one of the older sites of traffic exchanges, and as you can see, it's been around for quite some time. And you know, that's the best thing about it, is when you have a traffic exchange that's had longevity. That's how you know that it still works. I have gotten lots of signups using this particular program, and this has helped me out to get the credits I need. Now, Traffic G has different features that it uses. Now, you could list a lot of your opportunities. You can see on the side, these are all my opportunities that I'm promoting, and this is the traffic that I'm getting. As you can see, if you look at the numbers, I've been getting lots and lots of traffic over time. And this is free to sign up. Free to sign up. So if you don't have lots of money to get certain traffic sources like solo ads and everything like that, cost per click, this can be very, very cost efficient for you. And when I first started out with affiliate marketing, this is one of the, actually, I didn't start off doing traffic exchanges. I was doing, you know, what other marketers were showing me, you know, and I was really blowing my money instead of really saving more. So that's when I started listening to one of my sponsors, and they said get back into traffic exchange, and I tried it out, and I start to see a difference. And this also helps me to figure things out before I jump into buying paid traffic. So using this, you can see here, you go to your main stats. You have your main stats right here, okay? And if you scroll on the left hand side, you can see, you know, all the different affiliate marketing. If you can see, I'm promoting other traffic exchanges with this. And you know, I have in my other videos, when I talk about cross promotion, you know, you take one traffic exchange site and promote it on the other one, so you can be able to get, you know, and this is one good way you can be able to get, like, if you get referrals, you can get people to help you earn credits just by referring people. Okay, so you know, you have your referrals right there. This is where you surf for credits right here. So they got a little briefing talk about, you know, where you can you know, how you can surf, and it tells you how to surf and what you click. You match pretty much the description, just like any other traffic exchange. You gotta match the picture. I'm gonna just show you by example, and it has a timer. If you're an upgraded member, you only have to go about 5 seconds, but if you a free member, it's, I believe, 15 seconds. And all you gotta do is just click on the site. Now, I have this thing called Camo tab, where it can switch. It can switch to different affiliate surfing sites as you go on, just to be able to click faster. But I would definitely talk about that in another video. Okay, so I'm gonna go back home in Traffic G. It also has referrals, and it also has referral contests. You can go to different contests and win certain prize levels. You can check out who's the top referrals of the month, I guess. The month of, you can see right here, the month of March. That's this recorded video. You can check out those, and you know, and they have you to click there in that tab. Okay, this is where you look at your affiliate points, and you can see how many credits that they earned. You can see how many levels for each credit. You get about 5 levels deep, and you earn credits, you know, for referring people. Okay, you can refer others. This is where you go to Traffic G, where you can be able to promote your affiliate link, your splash pages. These are different promotional links that you can promote. They also have referral rewards, And you can check out that. You just do, you know, they let you know, like for super surfing, you know, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, you know, and you can check out all these. Now they also have where you can make your own banners. You can start your own banner exchanges. These are the banners that I'm promoting, and you can see I'm getting lots and lots of leads, and this is all free traffic. So like I said before, you don't have to go out your way and pay for ads off the bat, or solo ads, or cost per click, you know, or just pay promotion. Very, very costly. You must have extra money to be able to have paid promotion. Okay. And you can also promote different other traffic exchanges, and you know, if you refer people, they can also join these other traffic exchanges to get more referrals. So you know, you want to be able to get referrals in all over the place. Okay, so this is just a traffic exchange that you can use amongst many more. There's hundreds and hundreds of other traffic exchanges, but this is one of the top traffic exchanges that I use, Traffic G. If you would like to get started with me in Traffic G, the link in the description below, and I also will have a bonus for joining these to help you out on what, you know, strategies you can use to be able to promote all of your offers. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. This is 𝗖cie with Astro, and make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to this channel for more upcoming tips, tricks, and strategies that I use on my daily operations and marketing. And you can reach me on social media, which that also will be in the link in the description below. All right, so this is Astro, and I'll see you guys in the next video.